Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to add media files to your video project in FlexClip. First, hover over a file and click the plus icon. The file will be added to the project as a new scene. Second, you can drag and drop the file directly onto the canvas. You can drop it to replace the current scene or add it as a layer on the canvas, or add it as a new scene by dropping it onto the timeline. Third, hover over a file and click it to add it as a layer. Fourth, select a file in the media panel, press Shift, and then select another file. All the files between these two will be selected, and you can add them to the project at once. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.